Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's see what's blooming now. It's another garden update on daffodils. This one is Cyclatas. This one is Narcissus pumilus. And in the back, Narcissus cyclameneus snipe is blooming. I have beluga still flowering, Galanthus beluga and polar bear. And I have Narcissus asturiensis piccolini flowering. In the back is minicicla. This one is winter waltz, and you can see that the flower starts as an apricot and turns to an orange. This one is snow baby, and I have polar hunter in flower, which starts greenish and then turns into white. And also one of my favorites, February gold. So these are the beautiful daffodils which are flowering in the garden, and the godfather is just coming up, and others are also coming up. So see you next time on my garden update. Bye bye.